Welcome to this introduction on how to replace the inserts in a Leitech high resolution gauge and how to perform a calibration of depth. You will need this set of tools for the operation. Tighten the vise so the gauge will stay fixed between the rubber surfaces of the vise. Now slide the Go member removal sleeve over the gauge member to be replaced. Then slide the washer over the gauge member. Now you can place the nut and tighten it with the wrench until the member becomes loose. The gauge member can now be removed. If you want to change the no-go member, turn over the gauge in the vise. Now slide the no-go member removal sleeve over the gauge member to be replaced. Then slide the washer over the gauge member. Now you can place the nut with the cut and tighten it with the wrench until the no-go member becomes loose. The no-go member can now be removed. Now you can remove the handle from the vise. Next, place the new gauge members in the handle. To seat the gauge members into the handle, tap the gauge with a plastic hammer against a soft surface. Before calibrating the gauge, loosen the two locking screws with an Allen key. Check the size of the gauge on the handle to make sure it fits the size of the calibration tool. Before calibrating, dial the matching pitch on the calibration tool. Place the go end of the gauge into the appropriate size of hole. Next, grasp and turn the not go member to line up the measuring scale at the 0.400 inch or the 10 mm metric line. To secure the calibration, fasten the two locking screws on the handle with the Allen key. Check the calibration again after tightening the two locking screws. The calibration is done and the tool is ready for proper measurements. The calibration can also be done by the use of a caliper. First, loosen the two locking screws on the handle with an Allen key. Check the pitch of the gauge. Set the caliper on the exact value, in this case 40 mm plus half a pitch equals 40.75 mm. Now press the caliper against the go end and the measuring sleeve. For correct calibration, turn the not go member to line up the measuring scale, in this case at 40.0 mm. Next, retighten the two locking screws on the handle with the Allen key. To ensure correct calibration, check again after tightening the two locking screws. The calibration is done and the tool is ready for proper measurements.